If you're looking to speed up your ad creation workflow, AdCreative AI is the tool you need. This powerful software uses artificial intelligence to generate high-converting ads in minutes, saving you time while improving your results. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or ad creator, AdCreative AI can streamline your process and help you focus on what matters most: growing your business. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use AdCreative AI to boost your ad workflow. Now, if you're new to AdCreative AI, let me break it down for you. This software uses machine learning to create high-performing ads for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google, and others. It takes care of the creative side of things, so you don't have to spend hours brainstorming, designing, or tweaking ads. First, AdCreative AI provides you with a simple dashboard where you can input your ads goals and target audience. The AI then analyzes your brand's style, campaign objective, and audience preferences to generate visually appealing ads in no time. The real beauty of AdCreative AI is that it works based on data, so each ad is created with a strategic approach to maximize performance. Once you provide the key details, the software instantly generates a variety of ad designs for you to choose from. You'll be able to see multiple versions with different layouts, colors, and copy, all designed to grab attention and drive results. This feature is perfect for testing different ad creatives without needing to start from scratch each time. The best part? AdCreative AI also includes an AI-powered copywriting tool. This tool ensures your ad copy is not only engaging but also optimized for conversion. Whether you need a catchy headline, persuasive body text, or a compelling call to action, the software can craft it for you. You'll save hours of time and avoid the hassle of copywriting burnout. Another standout feature of AdCreative AI is its ability to integrate with your ad platforms. With just a few clicks, you can export the ads directly to your Facebook or Google Ads accounts. No more exporting, uploading, and managing files manually. Everything is streamlined into one easy-to-use platform. For those new to AdCreative AI, you might be wondering how it actually speeds up your workflow. Well, think about how much time you typically spend designing ads, tweaking images, writing copy, and running tests. With AdCreative AI, all of that work is done in a fraction of the time. You can create multiple variations of your ads in minutes, freeing you up to focus on other important tasks like analyzing campaign performance or strategizing. Plus, the software is continuously learning. As it collects more data from your campaigns, it refines its ad generation process, making the ads even more effective over time. That means you don't just save time today. AdCreative AI keeps improving and optimizing your ad creations for you in the long term. If you're skeptical about how well it works, let me tell you, the results speak for themselves. Users report significantly higher click-through rates and improved ad performance, all while reducing the amount of time spent creating and refining ads. Whether you're creating ads for a small business or a large-scale campaign, AdCreative AI adapts to your needs. Now here's the good news. You can try AdCreative AI for free. Yes, you heard that right. You can start using the software with no cost involved, and I've even secured an exclusive extended free trial for you through the first link in the description. This means you can start speeding up your ad creation workflow today and see the impact for yourself without spending a dime. By the end of this video, you'll understand how AdCreative AI can not only save you time, but also make your ad campaigns more effective. So don't wait, click that link below and start your free trial today to see how much faster and easier your ad creation process can be. Remember, this exclusive offer won't last long, so take advantage of it while you can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.